What's going on, guys? My name is David Massey. I'm going to show you a combination that you could use in combat and sparring in the real world, but look at this is my opinion on how I think it works. Comments, just be respectful about it, please. So we're going to break it down. The best way I can do it from a distance, you could go top of the foot, so I'm here, jab, cross, round kick. Now, the thing about this is that you can either do the round kick with the top of the toes, or you can do the entire shin, okay? You can hit the head, you can hit the ribs, you can hit the leg. There's a lot of different things you could do here. So what I'm trying to do is I don't have to hit him with the jab and cross. I just got to get him to do something about the handwork. I'm getting them focused here so I can deliver the kick, or I'm beating him, and then I deliver the kick. So it doesn't matter. It just depends on how the situation is. So now that we got that out of the way, I want to show you guys the motion. 1, 2, and from here, as I'm doing the twist, right when I'm about to pull back my left hand, I'm going to turn my body, and I'm pivoting. So I'm turning, I go 1, 2, watch again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm here, boom, okay? I'm here, I go, boom. If I want to go for the legs, I'm here 1, 2, and I go right for the kneecap, right in this section. I go 1, I go 2, and I twist, landing my whole shin. And notice how I'm not having my toes up. I'm not going, ugh. That's not the round kick, okay? You're taking your knee, you're flipping it over, and you're driving your whole body down. So that's the momentum, because after that punch, 1, 2, 3. So just be careful with how you direct this, because you could hurt someone by accident. And then I do it on the other side. I'm here, jab, cross, round kick. And I'm here, jab, cross, round kick. I'm here, 1, 2, 3. If I can reach it, I can go on the inside if I want. I can go for the inside. I can go 1, 2, right past the guy. So I'm there. I go 1, 2, and then I'm off to the side. Just make them see the hands, like what are you doing, and then make them eat the kick. So there's different ways you can play with just 3 things. To you guys, 1, 2, 3. The technical way of breaking it down, that's the best way because of Tung Soo. I'm here. 1, 2, 3. You can add a pivot, or you can add a step if you want, or not if they're close. It's up to you. Like I said, just practice it and see how it works for you. But if you guys like this video, go check out my other combos that I have on my Patreon. I would really appreciate you guys go support my work. I'm just trying to make you guys better than me. Kamsahamnida. Thank you, guys.